Hello guys, welcome to Top 10 Fix channel. Today I want to show you how to take a screenshot on any MacBook. So let's go. The way to do this, you need to hold Shift Command keys along with number 3. Okay, so now I want to run any app. For example, I want to run a Top 10 Fix channel. Okay, right. I want to take a screenshot on my channel right here. So the way to do this, like what I said, you need to hold Shift, Command, and number 3 together. So right here on the right hand, right here is a screenshot. So the screenshot will appear on the desktop. Okay, right here. So let's take a look. Okay, right here is a screenshot that we have just make it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.